Welcome to 1917 Austin Street in Mansfield, Texas. I'm Carly Howard with the Rafter Realty Group. Explore this delightful home in Heritage Park in a prime location to Mansfield schools, parks, and local amenities. This kitchen shines with ample counter space, cabinets, and a center island. You have a private primary suite that has double sinks, a shower, and a bathtub with a walk-in closet. Enjoy 2 living spaces, a secluded office, 2 additional bedrooms, and a completely renovated secondary bathroom. This home has all your modern needs. Contact me today to call this your Mansfield dream home.